Hi friends, in this video I am taking one question. I am coming from TIBCO Active Matrix BPM background. I do have more than 2 years of experience in that and other experience in other technologies. Now whenever I want to switch the company and I want to jump in the industry, I don't find TIBCO AMX BPM opportunity. What to do? So this was exactly the question from Anil few days back in one of the career consultancy call with me. Okay, so what I have done, Anil had other experience, other technology experience and 2+ years of TIBCO Active Matrix BPM. So what I have done, I understood complete background from Anil, right from what is his basic degree, how much experience in which technology and how much in TIBCO AMX BPM and exactly what's the problem. And objective was to jump from the company in the industry. So naturally, TIBCO AMX BPM could not give sufficient opportunities for Anil. So what I suggested, get into the integration area. From BPM, get into the integration area. You don't have to change the product. Anil wanted to stay in TIBCO. Okay, so I said, target TIBCO BW6 developer role. Okay, and I gave him the step-by-step career roadmap for 2 months. Okay, and in that 2 months, we built like 2+ years of experience. So I do have a model where in 2 months, I make you like 2+ years of equivalent professional. So I gave that plan to him. He followed all the plan properly. Of course, it requires hard work. And Anil has shown that hard work. He actually followed everything, all the steps got followed. I gave him like different steps. So quality learning and project implementation and case studies implementation and working on the resume and how to appear for the interview. So many steps were involved. He followed all the steps properly. No shortcut to hard work, my dear friends. You have to put the hard work. Okay, but then he transformed himself to TIBCO BW6 developer role. And now integration area is giving him edge over BPM area. So from BPM, business process management, he got transformed to actual integration. So now he will be targeting like integration specialist or architect kind of role in integration and has very bright future. Okay, so that's what. So in case if you stuck up in some technology, so in this case, it is TIBCO Active Matrix BPM and you're not getting sufficient opportunities in the market. Let it be AMX BPM, let it be .NET, let it be IIB, let it be some other product, let it be some other technology, Java programming. So suppose if you are a Java programmer, you are not getting the opportunity. I do have the plan for you. I can understand your background and I can very well help you out. Okay, you just have to share all your details with me. That's all. And I will prepare the plan for you. Complete step-by-step plan. If you want to exit from current company, I will create the exit plan for you. Okay, and we don't take any unnecessary risk, that directly put down the paper and all that. I don't suggest that. Even if you want to shift to other project, okay, even if you want to shift to other project and you want to leave the current technology and shift to other project in the same company, you love your company and you just want to change the project, that plan also I will create. Okay, so that is there. Or maybe if let's say you wanted to change the role. Okay, so for example, right now you stuck up in like a sales role or marketing role or something in your IT company and you wanted to shift to technical role, business analyst role maybe, okay, or maybe designer role or maybe developer role. Okay, not necessary you have to be programmer. Okay, so I always recommend product-based career which does not require much programming. So whatever is your objective, just ping me. I'm giving my WhatsApp number over here, my team's WhatsApp number over here. Go there and please ping them. Okay, so that they will collect some details from you, and then we can get into the 25 minutes career consultancy call. Okay, so take advantage of that. It's free of cost. I don't charge for that really, and you can take the advantage of that. Other thing, I started Sam's video series, where once in a week on your WhatsApp, I send something valuable. Maybe post, maybe video, maybe image, or something valuable I send once in a week. I don't bombard your WhatsApp. Once in a week on your WhatsApp, I share that, and it proved game changer for many people. I get feedback, I get reviews from many people that your videos and these weekly videos and posts that proved very helpful in their interview. So take the advantage of that. I'm giving here the registration link of my video series. Go there and register for that. Okay, so that's all about this video. In case if you resonate with Anil, your story is also like Anil, whatever you heard so far, so I can very well help you over there. The way Anil transformed himself from Active-Matrix BPM to BW6 developer, you can also get transformed to your targeted or your desired role. Okay, so just ping me. I'm always around to help. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.